I would suggest, Mr. Chair, that we first ask questions to this resource speaker, a resource person. I would not want to call any
Yes,
of
Your
them as a
Honor. I have
witness.
already opened the floor for questions. So if you have any questions.
Because if Senator Alan would insist on that, I have a counter proposal that all of them should be placed here already. Should be allowed to face Senate, the committee already, so that we can throw questions to any of them.
There is no proposition here. The proposition on the floor is that this is now the period of interpellation. So any senator who wants to interpellate the witness may do so at his or her own pleasure.
Yes.
You're willing
I'm willing to ask questions.
Go ahead, please. You have the floor. Your 10 minutes starts now.
Thank you. So inaamin niyo po na kilala niyo si Edgar Matubato.
Opo, Your Honor.
Bakit niyo po siya kilala?
Nakilala ko siya dahil pinsan siya or cousins, nephew siya ng kasama kong pulis in 1992 sa San Pedro Police Station.
Kilala niyo siya bilang? Sino ho ba si Edgar Matubato sa pagkakilala niyo? Sino ho ba siya? Killer ho ba talaga siya?
Hindi ko alam yan, ma'am.
So paano mo siya kilala?
Kilala ko siya dahil pinsan nga siya ng kasamahan kong pulis in 1992 when I was assigned at San Pedro Police Station.
Madalas niyo ho ba siya nakikita noon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Saan?
Sa pagkasama niya si Police Inspector Matubato at that time, he was a corporal and I was a patrolman.
No, Matubato is a police inspector. No, he's not. Is he a policeman?
I am, yes, Eduardo Matubato. Eduardo Matubato, his cousin.
Si Eduardo Matubato. Hindi po si Edgar Matubato.
Hindi.
Hindi po police Edgar Matubato.
Excuse me. Please tell the committee, sino yung pulis na kamag-anak ni Matubato?
He retired as Police Senior Inspector,
Sino po yan?
Mr. Chairman.
Ano pangalan po?
Eduardo Matubato or Edi Matubato.
Yun yung pinsan.
Yes,
Pareho
Your
silang pangalan.
Mr. Chairman.
Si Ed...
Edgar yung isa, ito Eduardo. Hindi, inuhuli ko lang. So, yung isa, si Edgardo, si Edgar, si Matubato.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Itong sinasabi mong pulis si Eduardo.
Eduardo or Edi Matubato.
ED. Ay, mabutit nagkakaalaman tayo.
Si Edgar Matubato ho mismo, hindi po siya police, di ho ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi mo siya kilala bilang killer?
Hindi,
Kasi
Your Honor.
inamin po niya, killer daw po siya.
Hindi ko alam yun, Your Honor.
So hindi mo siguro aaminin na merong Davao Death Squad.
Hindi, Your Honor.
Narinig niyo na ho ba yung Davao Death Squad?
Narinig, Your Honor.
Paano mo naririnig yung tungkol sa Davao Death Squad?
Kasi yung mga media doon, sila ang nagsasabi na death squad. Pag may namamatay sa Davao, sabi nila death squad.
Dati ho kayo sa Civil Security Unit, di ho ba? Civil Security Unit.
Na consultant ako after I retired,
When
Your
did
Honor,
you retire?
in 2013.
But before you retired, you were part of the Civil Security Unit?
No, Your Honor.
Sa heinous crime.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilang taon ho kayo sa heinous crime?
From January 15, 2013 up to March 8, 2006, Your Honor.
Nung nag-retire kayo, sinabi nyo, consultant po kayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hanggang ngayon, consultant po kayo.
No, Your Honor.
Kailan po kayo naging consultant?
At
At
3 days,
consultant ng ano? Consultant ni sino? Nino?
3 days after my retirement, I was hired as consultant by then Mayor Inday Sara and now Mayor Inday Sara in February 11 up to June 30, 2013.
So si Mayor Sara ang nag-appoint sa inyo or bilang consultant?
Yes, Your Honor.
How about si Mayor Rodrigo Duterte, now President Duterte? Siyempre po, kilala po kayo ng husto ni President Duterte.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi ho siya ang kumuha o nag-recommend kay Mayor Sara na maging consultant kayo after you retired?
I don't know, Your Honor, because it was Mayor Sara who called me up.
And as consultant of what?
civil security unit, Your Honor.
But you were never part of the civil security unit, as you said.
Only when I was hired, Your Honor.
Hired as consultant
Yes, Your Honor.
because you denied that you were employed or you were connected with civil security unit.
I said, when I was as member of the PNP, I was not assigned as civil security unit.
You were never assigned to the civil security unit, but you were hired as a consultant after you retired to that unit or of that civil security unit, right?
As consultant of the mayor, in order for her to represent him in cases there is a
Him or her?
meeting, a conference.
Him or her?
Her,
Si Mayor sabi
her,
ko,
Your Honor.
Sabi nyo, ang nag-hire sa inyo as consultant. Ano ho ba ang civil security unit?
Civil security yun ang yung unit na yan, sila ang take care ng mga buildings, security of the buildings, offices, markets, terminals.
So yung pagka-consultant nyo is specifically what? Hindi naman ho siguro kayo yung tinatawag na general consultant.
As advisor of the mayor,
Advisor on what?
on matters of security matters,
In
Your Honor.
general, security matters. In general, security matters affecting Davao City, I suppose,
Yes, Your Honor.
and that includes criminality.
No, Your Honor. Because civil security unit only concern on the security of the government buildings.
Kanina ho, ang ganda ng mga accomplishments na pinakita nyo, although you just actually cited some, and I'm sure marami po kayo accomplishments kasi makapal po yung dala-dala nyong dokumento. Ano
Yes,
ho?
Your Honor.
Ang tanong ko po sa inyo ngayon, have you ever been charged with any case, of any case, either administrative or criminal?
And I cannot remember the date of physical injury. I was charged of physical injury.
Ano pa ho?
I was charged administratively for command responsibility
On what?
on my two personnel who was charged also for alleged involved in drugs.
Alleged involvement in drugs. Kayo po mismo?
No, Your Honor.
So what are you talking about? Command responsibility about the misdeeds ng mga tao niyo po
Yes, Your Honor. Allegedly, they are involved.
in drugs.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan po ito?
In 2000, I cannot remember when I was still as the chief of the Hinos Rime. I cannot, either it is 2003, 2004, 2005, or 2006.
Ano po nangyari sa kaso na yon?
All were dismissed and they are, the case was dismissed against all of my personnel and
How about
including
you? You
me.
mentioned something about command responsibility. So you were charged because of command
Administratively, Your Honor.
Administratively. So saan po final yung kaso?
At first, the law and order in the Davao City Police Office, and again, it was elevated to the Ombudsman.
So ano po nangyari?
And
Na-dismiss
finally,
po
at the
yung
Ombudsman,
kaso?
it was dismissed.
Dismissed. So absuelto po kayo doon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron pa ho bang ibang kaso na you were charged either criminally or administratively?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan po yon? Ano pong kaso?
I think it was on 2009 or 2010.
What
I cannot
about-
remember the
Ano
exact.
pong kaso yon?
Allegedly, for not solving the killings of Davao City.
Yes. So you were charged along with several other police officers of Davao by the Ombudsman, and in fact, you were penalized, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You were 21 high-ranking officers of the Philippine National Police, and this is from the website, Mr. Chair, of the Office of the Ombudsman, that you, along with 20 high-ranking officers of the Philippine National Police, were penalized with fine lang po, equivalent to 1 month salary because of the unabated killings in Davao City. So you confirmed that.
Yes, Your Honor.
You were fined.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano ho ba yung sinasabing unabated killings in Davao City in the recent years attributed to the Davao Death Squad? Galing po ito sa Ombudsman. Pinaprint ko po ito. Nasa, ano po nila to? Nasa website. Mentioning Davao Death Squad. Mentioning the unabated killings. And siguro po, kasi nakasabi nga dito sa issuance na ito ng Office of the Ombudsman, record showed that from 2005 to 2008, the Davao City Police Office registered an unusually high number of unsolved killings. Do you confirm that?
That is the allegation of our case, Your Honor.
And further, in this issuance of the Office of the Ombudsman, it is said the perpetrators of these executions were usually two motorcycle riding gunmen, and the killings were mostly drug-related. The OMB Moleo fact-finding team reported that in 4 years, there were 720 persons murdered. 97 in 2005, 165 in 2006, 199 or 199 in 2007, and 259 in 2008. Tama po ba itong statistics na ito na nalaman, nakuha ng Office of the Ombudsman, Moleo?
Hindi ko alam, ma'am.
Hindi ho ba kasama kayo sa heinous crime section? Pakisabi nga huli sa amin, ano ho ba mga klaseng kaso yung mga inimbestigahan niyo kung meron man nung kayo ay nasa this, whatever it is, this heinous crime section. Napakaganda ng pangalan, heinous crime section. Murder should be heinous crime. There are 727 cases of murder, or 720 persons murdered, according to OMB Moleo fact-finding team, in just 4 years. Did you investigate those?
Your Honor, if may I say, before that, I would like to talk to my lawyer.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, go back to the case. That case I was assigned at, during that period, 2006, I was the Season Commander of Kalinan Police Station. And all cases that transpired in my jurisdiction was properly investigated. Only, Your Honor, that
So whose cases were this?
every
which you were
occurrence,
penalized.
every occurrence of incident in our area of responsibility, particularly in my area of responsibility, was properly investigated. It turned out only that there is no witnesses that come to the open for us to pursue our investigation. That's why the case is still pending.
And how many cases are these?
I cannot remember, Your Honor.
Would you bother to check your records, and then if you can submit to us what cases or how many cases exactly did you investigate when you were with the heinous crime section? Kasi malinaw yung findings ng OMB Moleo dito. OMB Moleo fact-finding team, in 4 years, 720 persons murdered. So a mere 321 or less than 50% were solved. Sabi po sa dispositive portion or part of the decision of the Ombudsman, from the foregoing figures, it is evident that respondents were remiss in their duty to significantly reduce the number of killings. Also, the same shows that respondents failed to solve a substantial number, if not all, of the killings. You were one of the respondents, so you should know how many cases exactly of killings were there. I rest my case. Thank you so much.